Hi guys, in uScott Maphuma never stays out of trouble. Hayibo, nangu umfana manje sekaboshiwe eMozambique. Scott Maphuma was arrested in Mozambique where he was fully booked to perform at an event, but he arrived late and drunk. Where's le event lena bekwe yabantwana? So obviously ama-event wabantwana ayenzakala nini emini. Right, so basically this event takes place yearly, every year on the 1st of June. So it's Children's Day, so it's one of the biggest event in Mozambique. So ubhuti wethu, ubhuti wama-attitude, allegedly yena uvele wafika ebusuku, wafika edakiwe. Guysini, what an embarrassment. Waze wasihlaza. Kodwa ke nabo waye bangafundanga from thina. Guys, angakanibulisi kithingithi nje sanibonani. Welcome to Celebrity Life Mzansi. If it is your first time, please hit that subscription button and the notification bell for the next celebrity update. Right. So uScott Maphuma not so long ago waxolisa la eSouth Africa because eSouth Africa wanted uScott Maphuma to be totally cancelled. And we saw a lot of events organizers cancelling uScott Maphuma because of his reputation, which is bad. He's been performing before he was cancelled. He was performing and fans were not reacting to his performance regardless of his good music. So Mozambique could have just learned from us. They could have learned from us. And a worst part, uScott, what he did, it shows disrespect. So kusho ukuthi nje ukungahloniphi into yakhe. Ngoba eMozambique, guys, if ever they booked you and they paid you fully and you do not show up, for them it is a serious offense. So as we speak, Scott Maphuma is detained at Matola in Mozambique. Yeah, I guess uScott never learns. uScott Maphuma never learns. Kodwa ke, not so long ago, he bought a car, he bought a house. I think he was flexing or whatever the case may be. But now, naye akafuna ukufunda. Ngoba if South Africa can cancel you and other African countries, they give you an opportunity to redeem yourself and you still go and you mess up, then it's a problem. Because of whatever that happened in Mozambique, the whole of Africa is watching. Imagine if his own country is already against him and then he goes to other African countries where he was supposed to redeem himself and then he goes and he does this. Yeah, no, uScott Maphuma guysini is something else. Bese sicabanga because if you remember, there were times when he was asking for forgiveness, where even other celebrities were asking on his behalf. Hi guys, bye.